Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Today, the internet is a definitive lord. World north of, a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, on the off chance that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly esports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the coming of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography and how this could be saddled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, Chiliz novel stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits, mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the exceptional elements of Chiliz. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was authoritatively sent off in 2019 despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of Socios.com. Any games or esports on the planet can adapt the fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a crowd of people through revolutionary fan commitment with most loved groups the board. Chiliz, the technical analysis. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in somewhere around 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about accomplishing the degree of $0.0150 contrasted with its adversaries like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0.009 for a solitary Chiliz. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of pandemic effect. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost spike that happened last year is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower $0.010. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. In any case, the presentation of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ/USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of March, the cost of Chiliz reflected colossal development, and it denoted another untouched high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted slight rectification, yet later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost stamped gigantic convention and contacted $0.758. However, later, it remedied down to 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it checked huge recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting 50 cents, according to Negative Signs, Chiliz has stamped constant negative pattern and presently, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ conjecture referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you truly do claim research proposing projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz figure. Chiliz price forecast, 2022 to 2026. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of unwavering quality implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Conquering all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant game's financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are $0.199, $0.2027, and $0.2092, separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination in Chiliz gauge, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845, and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a coursing supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHZ price prediction recommends that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, most likely in the following 5 years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz, CHZ, cost estimated by CHZ Cost Forecast has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificence, one unmistakable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is staying put, increment, fill in the market in full sprout according to beneath Chiliz cost expectations Chiliz price prediction 2022. CHZ figure predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistently. Chiliz digital money can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost expectation 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz, CHZ, cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to CHZ cost gauge, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market, Chiliz cost expectation, 2022, expects the CHZ cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin price prediction uncovers Chiliz, CHZ, will presumably be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time, in any event. Momentary counter developments or even amendments in the coin are in any case anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before very long. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost will surely not be unaffected.